Good morning, my name is Adam Lang and this is Todd Graham and this is our wind power design project. In order to determine which two locations we should use for our design considerations, we looked at three different maps of Michigan. One at 30 meters, one at 50 meters, and one at 80 meters for wind speed measurements. After this we concluded that the two locations should be Lansing, Michigan and Manistee, Michigan.
We studied three turbine types for each of the required outputs, 20 kilowatts and 1 megawatt. The small output turbines were the Atlantic Orient 1550, the Siemens Bonus Mark III, and the Wintec 650. For large output, we studied the Intercon E2, the Siemens SWT3, and the Repower 5M. We were able to determine that in Lansing, for 20 kilowatt output, the Atlantic Orient 1550 is the best system at 75 meters, and the Atlantic Orient 1550 is the best system for Manistee at 25 meters. For 1 megawatt output, we were able to determine that both sites would benefit the most from the Siemens SWT3 at 180 meters.
The optimal tower heights for the 20 kilowatt system in Lansing was 75 meters and Manistee was 25 meters. For the 1 megawatt system in Lansing it was 180 meters and Manistee was also 180 meters for optimal tower height. The cost factors included in the 20 kilowatt system in Lansing was 38 cents per kilowatt hour, and Manistee had an astonishing 23 cents per kilowatt hour. The 1 megawatt system in Lansing was a $1.92 per kilowatt hour, and Manistee was $1.12 per kilowatt hour.
Our conclusions for the project were even with the lowest percent kilowatt hour cost, that the system costs too much money to run. With natural gas available at 4 cents per kilowatt hour, it would not be a wise investment to install any of these wind systems.
Questions?